Ouch, it hurt.
What happened here, Min? Let's take a look.
Why do I cry when I feel pain?
That's a great question. Brain and nerve. When in pain, the nerve sends a lightning-fast signal to your brain. Brain commanding to cry. The brain tells the body, cry to signal that something is wrong. Explaining why crying helps us. Relieve pain. Get attention. Relieve stress. Crying reduces stress, soothes pain, and lets others know you need help.
Wow, crying is not so bad after all.
Mini thought experiment. Try gently pinching your arm just a little. Do you feel it fast? That's how fast your nerves send signals. Question for you. What else can make people cry? A. Feeling sad. B. Eating ice cream. Remember to leave your answer in the comments section below. Thanks for learning with us.
See you next time.